Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can power on and power off TOZO T20. We can turn them on and off simply by opening and closing the case with them. So if you open the case and you take out the earbuds, they will automatically turn on. And you can tell that they are on simply by checking the LED light on the earbuds. If it's flashing white like this, it means of course that they are on and they are in the pairing mode. However, if they are already paired with any device, then of course this light will not be shown. And if you want to turn them off, then all you need to do is put them back into the case. So open the case, place them inside and close the case. By doing so, they will turn off by themselves. However, you can also manually turn them on and off. So let me quickly take them out one more time. And if you want to manually turn them off, all you need to do to turn off is press and hold on one of these earbuds on the touch panel, which is of course above the flash. So press and hold for 8 seconds. I don't think you can see. Okay, so we need to hold for like 8 seconds. There we go. We have this blinking white flash light, and they are now off. And they are off. I mean, both of them are off. Now, in order to turn them back on, we need to press and hold, but this time for 3 seconds. So press and hold. There we go. Now one earbud is on. However, the other one is still off. So we need to do the same thing with the other side. So press and hold. And there we go. Now it is on as well. And we can see they are both on. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.